How much does it really cost to build an app like Uber or DoorDash? Want to build an app like Uber or DoorDash? But here's the big question. How much will it actually cost you? Is it $5,000 or $500,000? The answer might surprise you. Most founders have no idea how app pricing works. Some get quoted $50,000, others $500,000. But what if you could get the same high-quality app at a fraction of the cost without cutting corners? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down for you. The breakdown: what makes an app expensive? App development costs depend on 5 major factors. First is development approach, custom versus white label. Second is features and complexity, basic versus advanced. Third is team and location, in-house versus offshore versus agencies. Fourth is time and testing, months versus weeks. And fifth is marketing and maintenance, one-time versus ongoing. Let's break it down to understand it better. And most importantly, how you can save big without sacrificing quality. Custom-built apps: pros, cons, and costs. A custom-built app is developed from scratch, which sounds great, right? But here's the reality. Custom apps are fully customizable, have unique design and branding, but they take 6 to 12 months, cost $100,000 to $500,000 plus, have high risk of delays and budget overruns. Not to mention, you'll need to hire an entire team: developers, designers, project managers, and that adds up fast. Time equals money, and every extra month equals more costs. White label solutions, the smart alternative. Now let's talk about white label solutions. Instead of building from scratch, you get a pre-built, fully customizable app that's ready to launch in days. Launch in days, not months. Up to 80% cheaper than custom apps. No need to hire an in-house team. Built-in scalability and security. With Quickworks, you get an enterprise-grade, feature-rich app without spending a fortune. Cost comparison: custom versus white label. Let's get real about numbers. Here's what you'd typically pay. The choice is simple. Spend months and hundreds of thousands on custom development, or get a high-quality, cost-effective solution with Quickworks. Your call. Want to launch your own Uber-like app, fast and affordably? Book a free consultation with Quickworks today, and let's get your app live. Link is in the description.